Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the Ferris wheel. Here it is. And here is a slow-mo. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into this one. The first bit and the last bit are probably stuff that you've done before. What's really unique is just the transfer, and I've got some tips for that, so stay tuned. To begin, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna hang on to the safe handle with your thumb, your four fingers on the back. You're gonna go into a double rollout. So you're just gonna take the bite handle, throw it over the back of your hand, and then the dull side of the blade and throw that over the back of your hand, like so. Of course, that is the double rollout. Once you've done the double rollout, you're going to go into the first half of the full twirl. The full twirl will be in the description below, but I'm just going to go over it really quickly here as well. All you're going to do is you're going to take your bottom three fingers, take them off of the safe handle. You're going to take your middle finger, place it on the back of the safe handle. You're going to twist. You're going to take your ring finger, place that on the back of the safe handle. You're going to remove your index finger and flip the knife up over your middle finger. So that should be really easy for you, especially if you've already gone in the description and watched the full twirl video. But I'm just going to go over that one more time. So double rollout, middle finger behind, twist, ring finger, index finger out of the way, and up over your middle finger, just like so. From here, this is where the transfer happens. And so what you're going to want to do is really simple if you're going slow like this. You're just going to take your hand and make a little peace sign with your left hand. You're going to place it on the back of the safe handle like so, right about where your middle knuckle is. And then all you can do is just take your dominant hand out of the way and you wind up in this position here. So again, double rollout, first half of the full twirl, peace sign, in and out like that. From here, what you're going to do is you're just going to let so you don't want to do that, you don't want to cut yourself. You're just going to let the safe handle fall to be pointing downwards. You take your ring finger, place it in front of the safe handle, remove your index finger, and up again over your middle finger. So pretty much you do another first half of the full twirl, except with your left hand, like so. So double rollout, full twirl, peace sign, dominant hand out, and another little tiny half of the full twirl. From here, we're just going to go back down. So all you're going to do to do that is you're going to push with your ring finger, let the bite handle fall. Your index finger is going to go in front of the safe handle. Ring finger goes out of the way. And here you can put your index finger in from your dominant hand. You can go over forwards and back to this position. And you'll note that this position is actually the starting position of the full twirl again. So you can go back and do a full twirl, peace sign, down, ring finger, index finger, up. From here you can go back down, index finger in, over your index finger, and back down. And of course, that is the Ferris wheel, just like so. Of course, that's pretty easy, especially if you just go slow, so that's what I would invite you to do. I would also invite you, another good tip that I have, is you can just practice with both hands. So instead of starting with your dominant hand, you can start with your off hand, go into the transfer, and then back down, like so. Just like that. So just practice that over and over again. The biggest tip that I have for this move, it's pretty simple, and it just involves your timing. A lot of the time when you practice doing the full twirl, you have a certain rhythm that you're going to use. This move, the rhythm tends to be a little bit different. If you want to do it smoothly, I find a 2 count for the first full twirl, followed by a 1 count for the second full twirl, is what makes things the most smooth and the most easy. So let me demonstrate that real quick. So again, you're just going to do the double rollout, And from here, you can go a 1, 2, 3. And then we can just go back down. 1, 2, 3. And then back down. So it's really that simple. 1, 2, 3. As opposed to when you usually do a normal basic roll, you're going to probably go 1, 2, 1, 2. It's kind of a weird little mental trick, but I find that'll help a lot. So again, all you got to do is just practice this one in slow motion, practice it with both hands, and think of doing a 2 count on the way up, followed by a 1 count after the transfer. And that's really going to help speed things up. 1, 2, 3, like so. Hope you guys liked that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.